We need to figure out why i7 doesn't work, but i5 does. Alright, we gotta figure this out. We're going to get this thing back under the microscope. We're gonna put voltage into it. Let's just we're taking everything out of here. We're getting down to the motherboard. And we are figuring out why this thing is the way that it is. That's what's happening today. This is going to be the first time I've actually had this motherboard out of this case, so... So, my assumption here, because we tested this with an i5 of the same generation, and it worked fine. My assumption is that the problem with this is something with the power circuit either not delivering the correct voltage or just having a short on it somewhere. So that's what we are here to figure out. Of course, this motherboard cannot be removed without taking out the auxiliary fan, because reasons. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. So we got a bunch of stuff to test here. That's going to involve putting power into it. Alright, let's see. We never checked this back here. Why does this keep getting more and more bent? This is low impedance. It's not as short. Same thing down here. Should be this one. This sits here. This is the long one. This is the short one. This is... let's turn this on. So not even... see if we got any hotspots without anything being powered on at this point. We do not. And the front panel connector is this guy. So I just need to figure out which of these two actually jump. Those ones. That's new. The entire time when we had, like previously, we were never able to get this thing to actively beep. So that's new. Can I, will it do it again? Just gotta be careful here. I don't think this, I don't know, my problem is I don't remember if this actually has video out on this CPU. I don't think it does. But legitimately, that's the first time it's ever beeped for us. Okay, well, you know, just, you know, F me. whenever I take a computer apart, it just works. I'm ready to do all this troubleshooting and whatnot, and no, just take it out of the case. By the time you put it back together, everything will be working. Whatever. Some sick trick. Alright, let's put it back together. So, who actually knows what made this thing start working? Because our original assumption with this was that it was the CPU. So we replaced the CPU and we had the same result. I don't, like, my thing is I don't know if I cleared the CMOS after doing that, after swapping the CPU. I don't think I did. So maybe that's what it was. It just needed the CMOS cleared, but I doubt it. I'm going to slowly add things back in here, one at a time. Figure out what it was. The thing is, I've unplugged the power supply from this before. That's why I'm confused by this. Like, I've had this power supply out of this case entirely. Because I thought that's what the problem was originally, so I pulled it out and went to order it. And then I was like, wait, I have another computer that has this one here. Plugged it in and did the same thing. Look, if this just works, I don't care. Because I'm happy to get this back to this customer, and I'm done eating the cost of this thing. Right now I've just been sitting on the overall the amount of money that I already have into this, because I couldn't exactly, you know, bill the customer for a computer that wasn't working. Alright, let's put these guys back in here. Power supply. Alright, before I slap a video card back in here, let's put this video card back in here. Trying to figure out what else I could have pulled off. Let's see if we're just working now. Now we get nothing. Well, that's working. Wonder if the PCI lane on this has died. Yeah, I kind of need that in there. That's the power to this. Let's... Alright. Let's get this out of here. Let's put this in here. Why you no power on now? I did something. Alright, hold on. So it definitely doesn't like the power draw off of this. Okay. So I have it's a combination of the CPU and the GPU dying. Because we now have... This is working. So if I pull this video card, and I just plug this in here and I say, look, you're now in a situation where it's not worth sinking more money into this thing to get this up and running. So just use the onboard, because it has onboard. Let's slowly start putting more stuff in here, see if it stops working. What's wrong with it is, more than likely, whatever damage happened to this processor also did damage to this video card. Which, I mean, this is a 760, I think is what I determined this was. 650. excuse me. This is a Radeon 6450. Should have probably read a little bit better. All right, let's see if putting more power onto this thing is going to cause it to no longer boot. So that's everything back in there. Yeah, they have Windows 11 on this thing. All right, I'm confident enough to say, hey, you're up and running again. Giveaway. Yeah, it looks like we're working here. Make sure our Wi-Fi is up and running. Hey, it's Chris over at the computer shop. Yeah, your computer's ready. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.